Hello and welcome to another video by ThemeNcode. In this video, we are going to talk about the Ai Excerpt Generator plugin by ThemeNcode. But first, let's discuss what is Excerpt and why this is so important. You can think of a big blog or a long writing, but to clip a short description or summary from that is known as an excerpt, which is used to tell the whole story shortly so that everyone can understand easily. Now, why should we use the AI Excerpt Generator? You can think that I can be writing the excerpt by myself, but there are lots of questions. So, to ease that process, ThemeNcode is using Chat GPT to create that excerpt for you. The process is very simple. You just need to click a button and Chat GPT will create the excerpt for you. Now, how to use this plugin? To use this plugin, at first you need to go to this page of ThemeNcode, because this is created by ThemeNcode. I'll put the link in the description, and then click the Buy Now button. The Buy Now button will take you to the pricing plans. You can choose the plan that you need and then click on Buy Now. You will be redirected to the portal of ThemeNcode. This is a very secure media, so you don't need to think about anything. Now, fill up the form and click on Purchase. I have already downloaded the plugin, so let's move on to the next step. After downloading the plugin, you need to log in to your WordPress dashboard and then go to Plugins, Add New. From this menu, go to Upload Plugins and then Browse. You need to upload the downloaded plugin to your WordPress and then click Open and Install Now. When the installation is done, click Activate to activate the plugin on your WordPress dashboard. Wait a while and now click the Activate plugin. You can see the plugin is activated and you can see the name AI Excerpt Generator by ThemeNcode. Here in the settings, a new tab will come, ThemeNcode AI Excerpt. So now we need to do some settings. Here from the settings tab, you need to go to ThemeNcode AI Excerpt, and then there is a field of OpenAI API key. You can see a link here. Click on that link. It will take you to your OpenAI. If you don't have an account, create an account. I already have one, so I'm logging in. Here you will find your secret key. You can see this is my secret key, and I can create a new secret key by clicking the Create New Secret Key button. Then come on again and copy that one and paste it in the Open API key field. You can see there are a lot of post types. You can generate excerpt on all of these post types using this plugin. I am using the first two here, post and pages. Here you can see different models or engines which are used by Chat GPT. You can select anything from here, but DaVinci is the most capable among all. The maximum tokens is selected to 60. You can change the number, and if you want to learn more about it, click on the given link here. After completing the process, click Save Changes and you are done. Now you're just one click away. Let's see how it works. Let's go out to a post which I have written about a bookshelf plugin. This plugin is also created by ThemeNcode, which is very unique. Let's create an excerpt of that post. Click on Edit and scroll down in the right sidebar. You can see there is an option ThemeNcode AI Excerpt. All you need to do is to click the Generate Excerpt button and you can see the excerpt is generated. The length of this excerpt will depend on the amount of token you have selected. If you remember, we have selected 60 as our maximum token. If we change that number to 30, we can see the change of length in the excerpt as well. Just click on the generate excerpt button and you can see the length has changed. You can use this excerpt anywhere you want. You can use this as your meta description or your social post or anywhere you want, and you can show it on your website as well. This will grab the attention of the visitors more than reading the whole blog post, because this is the summary of the whole blog post that is going to be shown in front of your visitors. This is the nicest and the unique way to create excerpt by far in WordPress, which is presented to you by ThemeNcode. I hope you like this video, and to see more such videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to ThemeNcode.